Sabudana kheer.
Half-liter milk. To TBS of sago sabudana soaked for 3 to 4 hours. 3 TBS of sugar. 2 TBS of fresh cream. 2 TSPs of roux afza. 2 TBS of condensed milk. 1 TBSP of grated coconut. 2 pinches of elaichi powder. 1 TBSP of dry rose petals. Few sliced almonds. Add milk in a pan and boil. Add sabudana. Mix and boil. Sabudana is cooked well. Add sugar. Add fresh cream. Give a mix. Cook on low flame and stir continuously. Add elaichi powder. Add condensed milk. Give a nice mix. Cook until milk thickens. Add 2 drops of pink food color. Give a mix. Stir well and turn off flame. Sabudana kheer is done. Take a serving bowl and add kheer. Garnish with dry rose petals, grated coconut and sliced almonds. Add roux afza. Yummy sabudana kheer is ready. Enjoy chilled sabudana kheer. Do try this yummy kheer in Ramzan. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.